CROSSFIRE on 7990 times 4 for God's sakes. This is going to be our donkulus. This is going to be absolutely stantabulous. Let's run this. Hi there, it's Timmy Joe making videos about computer parts all over the internet. Mike Ramsey is a beast of a man and has helped this channel with some of the craziest video cards I've ever seen. And then there's actually a Titan Z coming. A Titan Z is coming thanks to another viewer. Oh my god, you guys are just incredible. You're incredible. And then I had the old, all the dual cards. I'll be done, all of them. All of them by the time this stuff's over, pretty much. There might be like one or two really old ones that I'm missing, but anyways, the Chiller 2.0. I'm not going to get a video out today. Tomorrow's looking probably near the end of the day, more like it. It looks like pee, because it's Rain-X, actually, as you can see over there. But see how the rad is mostly submerged? I only had it on for a few minutes, and let's see what the temperature's at. I didn't want to have it on. Let's see, can we see? It's just above zero, just above zero. That's just fine. And it's Rain-X, so it's not volatile, whatever. Probably that plumbing antifreeze would have worked fine. All of my lines are now insulated. I have 4 quad video cards going on here. What kind of frames we getting? This is 7970 times 4. CROSSFIRE. That doesn't seem right, does it? That doesn't seem right at all. This, I don't think QuadFire is on. We have both of those GPUs are running at 25 degrees. We're not seeing the other ones though, so I don't know. I'll figure it out. This is just a preview video for Patreon members. So I got the chiller all working. It's weird because all 4 of the GPUs are showing up in MSI Afterburner, but I'm plugged into the bottom GPU. That's the only way I'll get it to post. So I don't know what's going on there. Something's weird about that, but I'm still fine-tuning, obviously. We've got some ginormous fans that blow 3,500 RPM to alleviate the condensation on the cards, because I turned it on for about 10 minutes and I immediately turned the computer off because I saw a little bit of too much condensation forming. Because, I mean, obviously, we're running at 25 degrees, for God's sakes. And the chiller isn't even at minus 10 or minus 20 yet, which I plan on definitely achieving now that the rad is submerged. So a lot of fun stuff is happening, and you know what? It's all due to the wonderful people out there on the Patreons, and you guys deserve so much more than I give you. I'll try my best. If you want to ask me some questions or something, we'll do a Patreon exclusive Ask Timmy Joe or something like that. That would be cool. But as far as this is really a success now. It's working very well. I have the filter on it still, because although I cleaned everything, I wanted to make sure. But let's see what kind of flow we got. Oh, look at that flow. That's amazing. That's because there's probably a lot more free flowing in the GPUs. That's pretty cool. It kind of looks like beer or maybe urine. I'm not sure. But it's working very well. And this is a fun experiment. And the video did not do very well, of course, because, I've got an RX 570 video that's got like 6,000 more views than the video I spent $300 doing and like 3 days of my time. But we'll get more use out of this thing. It's actually working out pretty well. And let's see what we'll finish up Firestrike, and then we'll give you the results. We'll see if I can't tell if all of the GPUs were working. 950. Yeah, so we're at gigahertz. Fireman, Iceman. I don't know. Let's see. We should be able to see utilization here in GPU 4. What a craptastic. Temperature. CPU. We gotta go all the way down here. GPU core clock was at 300. GPU core clock 4 was, yeah, it's not in QuadFire. I don't know what's going on. Something weird's happening. Because, yeah, that's a... Oh no, it's Gibson.
Need help getting that, Mario.
You got into there, eh?
Mm-hmm.
I just set the kid up with a DS ROM hack so he can play whatever games he wants to play. Well, then you press A.
A.
Oh no, press start. You know what start is?
No.
It's that little one there.
This
Anyways,
one? This one?
obviously this isn't working.
This one? The first one?
Yeah, the first one. Oh, everyone's coming in my office. That's great. You having fun at school, kid? He doesn't care. He just wants to play DS. Anyways, having fun here. It's the Timmy Joe live. Obviously unhinged. We got the doggy. Things are working. Thanks for watching. Look forward to a video probably tomorrow. I'm hoping if I can get this all working. It seems like only one card's working, although all four are showing up. And it's weirding me out that I can't plug into here and actually get a VGA signal. Can I? Well, that was probably the problem. Cool! It's all working now. It's all working now. I will see you guys later in a video. My name's Timmy Joe. Thank you very much, Patreons. A little window into my crazy life. Say bye, Frisket. Pa. Aw. Bye.